I think Ross's holistic admissions process offers a chance to people who don't fit into the mold that is set out by a large number of institutions. Having an option out there that will view someone as an entire person, it's amazing. Right out of college, I started working as an EMT. As an EMT, although you are privileged to care for others, you are very limited in what you can do. You know what a patient needs in that moment, but you can't give it to them because you don't have the training, you don't have the resources. And that feeling, it feels helpless. I knew at that point that I was mature enough and mentally ready to take the next step in my career. It was a no-brainer to go to medical school. Getting accepted, best day of my life. I'll remember that feeling for eternity. Learning here at Ross, it's very hands-on. You learn patient interviewing as soon as you start. You immediately then get to practice those skills by actually interacting with patients. The instructors here at Ross, they want you to do well, they want you to succeed. I feel exceptionally comfortable going up to them in moments of intellectual or academic vulnerability. The overwhelming sense of camaraderie that I've felt and that I continue to feel here among my classmates is amazing. I'm all in on Ross. I am exactly where I have always needed to be.